Meaning of deaconess.
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 Deaconess. A deaconess is a woman who is ordained by some Christian churches to perform certain religious duties. These duties may include assisting the pastor or priest, caring for the sick, and providing support and guidance to members of the church. The role of deaconess has evolved over time and varies between different denominations. Some churches also allow deaconesses to preach or teach within the church. Overall, the role of deaconess is intended to be one of service and support within the context of the church community.